today's phonics, first of all we're going to sing our alphabet song. That's our first job for today. Are we ready? All joining in? Joining in at home as well? Don't forget those claps. After 2,
1, 2.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Brilliant. Let's do it again and I'm going to point to them. Ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Brilliant. Excellent. That's so that we're remembering our letter names. It's really important that we know the letter names as well as the sounds. Here we go. Now, going to warn you today, and I'm warning you at home, that this is not a sound that I like. It's very difficult to say. It also says a lot of different sounds, but we're going to learn it one way today, and there are other ways that you might see it, but it's a very unusual sound, but we do have to just look at it at least. Are we ready? I'm going to move my square shape first. And it says a word underneath with our sound. It's really tricky to know. So that was a drop of pure water. Pure water. So the sound says a your sound. Pure, your sound. However, sometimes it says a or sound in sure. Sure, I'm sure. And then you might, in treasure, it says an sound. So we're just going to have a look at it today, and we're going to look at the letters that make that sound. And normally when you read that word, it will be in a sentence, and you'll be able to look at it in a context, which helps. So we're just going to have a very quick look at it today, because it's not a very good sound. I don't really enjoy it. Here we go. The sound. U-R-E, working together to make the sound. Shall we have a go at saying it like that? The the sound. It's hard to say, but it's 3 letters making one sound. So that's how we do a U and a R and a E making the sound. So you don't come across it very often anyway. So I've just got 2 little captions for us to read to put it into some form of context so that you'll be able to read it in the context. That's what the plan is. So here we are. It is pure. I can see some people here having a go. Hopefully you had a go at it at home. Let's try that one again. It is pure. Pure. That's how we kind of try and write it. Brilliant. Let's have a look at the next one. This is a tricky word. Are you sure? Are you sure?
I'm sure.
We kind of say sure. Are you sure? Brilliant. Sure. So it's looking at those letters and knowing that the U, R and E is going to make a sound U, R and E. It's kind of it's more of an or sound in that one. But it's about looking at those letters and reading the context of the sentence to see what it says. Shall we have a go? Get your boards and pens or your pens and paper at home, and we'll have a go at writing the sound. And we'll just spell those 2 words. That's all we're going to do today, because it is a tricky sound. So let's write the U and the R and the E working together to make the sound. Have a go at writing it. U and the R and the E working together to make the sound. Right, I'm going to write it on the board. The U and the R and the E working together to make the sound. So that's a trigraph. It's the 3 letters making one sound there. So have a go. Brilliant. I'm just moved out of the way so that everyone can see the board. Brilliant. So let's now that we've written that word, let's do our first word that we looked at, which was pure. So you just write that sound with a p in front of it. pure. Have a go, please. Have a go, please. Pure. Brilliant. Let's have a go. So I'm going to practice my letters down, up and over for the P sound. Yeah. Brilliant. Really concentrate. We're only writing 2 days words today, so you can really concentrate on writing, can't you? Brilliant. Next one. Sure. 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 In fact, I've only just noticed we didn't talk about this sound. It's making a sh sound in sure, isn't it? It's not even making a s sound. So I'm using, this is my sound, the sound, and I'm going to add the S at the beginning for sure. Sure. So sometimes the S just makes a sh sound, which I forgot to mention. Does it in sugar as well? Let's have a go. Sh or sure. Brilliant. Well done.